Now, if you were expecting some sort of masterclass in carpentry, you must be so disappointed, because what you're getting is somebody who doesn't know what he's doing, making it all up as he goes along. Somehow, all of this has to go in there. And that's after an hour's cleaning. The make or break question: will the piece of wood I've chosen for the base of the bed fit in there? 70-ish. 70-ish. It is on the dot. That's how tall I am, and that's how long my bed was. Perfect. Can I still sit in the driver's seat and operate the handbrake safely? So I got this far without using any tools other than a saw, hammer and screwdriver. What a work of art that is. Well, Rome wasn't built in a day. Now I have the unenviable task of deciding which of this to keep and which to throw away. Who would even guess some fool was living in that? Welcome to day 3. I gotta leave here tomorrow and I still haven't really tidied up all this crap. Oh well. Let's go and check on the van. There she is, the cheapest van in the county with an MOT. Oh, I don't remember the door being open. Money's gone. My little solar battery's gone. Is this van easy to break into? I guess with so many people out of work now, you're not just getting the druggies and illegals running around looking for money. It's going to be ordinary, normally hard-working people in need of food. Let's remove those screws from this piece of ply. Okay, we tried the hard way. Now we're gonna do it the easy way. God damn. $43. A bit more than 43, isn't it? As I start getting a clearer idea of how this is going, I can see what I need to discard. It's this front seat, that'll be good storage there, and this boot liner, that can go, and eventually I'll replace that plywood with insulation. Bit of a Freudian slip there, no offence, plywood. Now I'd like a foot clearance for my foot. My kingdom for a circular saw. All that dust blowing around in the van. You know, this technique isn't working as well as I thought it would. Oh, I'm bored of this now. What do you know? I bet tomorrow I'll find a piece of wood this size just lying around. Perfect. From here you can really see the true horror of what a waste of space this front seat is. Look at that absolute dream machine there. The L2 version of my car. Wow, 2 meters, 3 centimeters in the back. But a man can dream, can't he? I named this vehicle the Luxury Penthouse Pug. May God bless her and all who sail in her. For tomorrow we ride. Okay, this is my last night in rented accommodation. If you're curious as to my inspiration as to how I got into van life, check out the Urban Stealth camper van man there, Foresty Forest there in Canada, and Croman Cruise down there. Oh no, up there, and then you can subscribe to me there.